We're expecting some watches to leave the premises today, so making it spiff and span. I actually bought this watch 8,000 watches ago.
Jaz's been doing some online shopping.
Is that bid? Oh,
yeah,
oh.
35, yeah.
Yeah, 35, done. When's these Spurs coming?
I think.
Just needs me to come in, help him out.
Do you want to sell it? No. Replace it? Definitely not. We're expecting some watches to leave the premises today, so making it spiff and span every day. Clean these glasses, although they're lovely, they do get very dirty and clogged up with a lot of fingerprints in the front here, but it's all part of the game.
Jaz's been doing some online shopping, so we've just had these come through the door. I have a small idea what this one might be. This one I think might be golf balls.
Oh, listen.
Any guesses? Pause the video now, go and write in the comments what you think I've got in my hand. In the words of Stevie Wonder, signed, sealed, delivered, it's ours. Stainless steel, Datejust 41 at Wimbledon. My lucky watch. On to the next.
No beginning of time, but any wood, I'm wondering.
I was wrong. It's not golf ball.
Without you.
Another Wimbledon, this time an oyster bracelet. So this is the stuff that got couriered down to us. We've got some Datejust 41 Wimbledons in stock. Get a message in.
More new arrivals. We'll be showing you very soon what we're buying in.
Below list, the retail is $6,750. You can have it for $6,650. The Cartier de Santos, interchangeable strap, the blue and the metal. What more would you like for a daily watch? Sorry, I had that watch upside down. Hit us up, it's in stock as of now. Thank you.
Yes guys, how are we doing? So today I'm going to be unboxing one of our newest arrivals. So here we have the popular Rolex 18 karat rose gold Day Date 40mm with the anniversary dial. Model number 228235. There's been huge speculation about this dial being discontinued. However, for the last 2-3 years it hasn't. It's still in circulation. Personally, one of my favourite combinations with the dial and the colour of the gold. This will be available in store. If you're interested, please head over to my Instagram account, which I'll put here for you guys. It's 2022, completely full set with the 23 links, the original swing tags and the paperwork. If you're interested with a price, feel free to hit me up on the DMs and I'll be happy to get back to you.
Was it a Jubilee one, yeah?
Yes, please, mate, yeah.
So that's the gents.
Okay, so that one's still got some warranty on it.
That was 12 warranty, yeah.
Yeah.
That's
And then
warranty.
you obviously come, yeah.
Anytime you go to Rolex anyway, they're always going to end up nipping you on something. There's never going to be a no charge. They'll always get you on something. But I've got a few like personal watches like with oyster band, and I've got like a vintage GMT.
The 18 with the Jubilee.
Yeah, 18 on Jubilee.
Which is at 13 grand, which is my ceiling really, versus a 22 at 13,650. 4 years difference.
It's up to you. It's 4 years. It's 4 years. 600 quid difference. So
Also, as well, you've got to factor into it.
550, but 550 on it. Did you say
is that a bid?
66.
How's that? How a bid?
30,
I'll lock it in.
550. That's what I do for a living. I've
Go on.
got to do it. Yeah,
Go on.
1350. Yeah,
Yeah, 13,550. Done. Mint condition, 2022 Wimbledon, silver and gold on Jubilee.
Yes guys, how are we doing? So we've just had another delivery from our courier. Let's see what's inside. So it looks like a Rolex box. Beautiful watch. Datejust 41mm, a 126300 reference. So it's the smooth bezel, mint dial. This one here looks to be completely full set. 2023, all the links, swing tags, booklets and card just landed, available now. If you're interested, move quick. These have been flying out for us recently. It's a great watch for anyone who's got a budget of around like the 10k mark. So if you're interested, feel free to DM us.
How many offshores? Just saw the new DeSantos Cartier with the navy edition. So you get the navy strap and the navy dial, full diamond set, and the best quality setting. But it speaks for itself. Always nice to returning customer. Only come this Christmas gone. Bought a watch. Back for his second now. When's his third coming?
Trying to find a his and hers. Doesn't necessarily have to match. Just a ladies' watch and a gents' watch for their 30th this year. Both turning 30, so they're going to treat themselves, which is nice. Got a budget we're trying to stick to, so we're trying to find out what we can get within the budget. Happy birthday!
Yeah.
Oh, little birthday gift from us.
Oh, thank you very much.
Didn't realise you're 30th today. You definitely get a 36 mil within your budget, and then maybe like a 26 mil or something like that, or a 31 mil. If you wanted maybe a 41 mil, I could probably get you like a steel one, with a 41 with like box and papers. If you wanted to stay still and go with a 41 mil, I could probably get you it within your budget. It would just be one that hasn't got papers. These ones here. So these are two concealed models, which are going to start from around like the 85 mark. Or if you went for a classic shape model with the old buckle, these ones here are around like the £6,300 mark, 8,500. So it'd be well in your budget to get that and another watch. This is a 41 mil, just the next size up, and it's just a classic box and papers. A lot of men do prefer the 41 mil. So the Wimbledon is a 2023 model. You'll get as well with that box and papers. That'd be like 9,800. The blue one is box and papers as well, but it's an older model, should be like a 90s model. That'd be like 6,300. Whether you go for either or, you're probably going to be able to get a ladies. Obviously, I'm not sure what sort of size the ladies wants to go for, but if you usually go for like a 26 mil, they're usually going to be around like the £4,000 mark. So, you know, basically anything from like late 80s up to like early 2000s, the model hasn't changed. It'd be 4,500.
Yeah.
Box and papers.
Oh, that might make that one win actually.
I think we're going for the steel and gold, 26 mil with a diamond dial, beautiful watch, comes box papers. One down, one to go.
Beautiful.
Yeah, Wimbledon is probably my favourite Datejust.
I think you're right.
That is absolutely cool. Like it is.
Because it's new as
I
well.
don't know, there's something that makes me think this one looks a bit old. Like,
Yeah, Wimbledon.
Yeah.
Perfect. Al?
So we've gone for the brand new 2023 steel Wimbledon with a new but classic style new shape buckle, which is lovely. And then we're going for the ladies.
Yes.
So we're going for the diamond dial ladies one as well. Both lovely watches.
I think we've got a way out of the way.
Just needed me to come in, help them out, and deal was done. I think you personally should give it to me, but you won't.
How's it going, guys? So we're back after our little break. Hope you enjoyed all the bank holidays and everything. Today I've got something very special to show you. This is an 18 karat gold emerald half eternity ring. Now, this is a lovely ring. It's got 17 emerald cut diamonds in, all around an F to a G colour and VS in clarity. Lovely, beautiful ring. But what makes it so special is, comes with all the original paperwork from Asprey. Asprey is a very, very old English jewellers, founded in the 1700s, royal jeweller with the royal approval seal since around 1830s. So steeped in history, makes some of the finest jewellery in the world. This ring was made by them before the turn of the millennium. This is 1999 this ring was originally made. Comes with all of the original receipts, which are there. Insurance paperwork. It's got history of Asprey on it. This ring was valued for insurance purposes in 1999 for £20,900. So that was nearly 25 years ago. So you can imagine with inflation how much now Asprey would probably say that this is worth. Beautiful ring, stunning clean stones. You don't get much better than this without individual certs. It's a beautiful piece. If you're interested, drop us a message at Trotters Jewellers UK,
or give us a call or WhatsApp on the number below. And if there's something you want to see jewellery related, just leave us a comment and we'll see what we can do to answer it. Thanks for watching. Get the bell on and subscribe.
What's going on, people? Just thought I'll run you through some of the bits that we've been buying and selling since we haven't been on YouTube for a little while. So we've been getting a lot of these tennises in, yellow, white and rose. We've got 2 carat, 3 carat and 4 carat. We sell a lot of these. As it's coming up to summer, people have been coming in and buying quite a lot of these, and we've got a lot of them in stock now. So up next, we've got these yellow Cubans. We've also got these in rose gold. We've got them in a 20-inch all the way up to a 26. These are nice and durable. You can put pendants on these. We've also got matching bracelets in rose gold and yellow gold and 8mm. And finally, something we can't forget about is our famous fancy links. Exclusive to Trotters. Drop us a message. We've got these in white, rose and yellow.
A few pieces of new stock coming in daily. The Hublot Big Bang 42mm with a carbon dial on the black rib strap. So we're going to go for a polish and maybe a little service. And then it'll be available on show.
Perfect summer watch. Datejust 41, full bust down. Nice pair of baguette style earrings. Cheap and cheerful. If you're interested, hit us up on the DMs. We've got more in stock available today.
You get 12 months warranty.
You have to ask Frank to see
But even if the warranty finishes, something happens, we fix that, because you bought the watch from us, we fix that at minimum cost. You can get the metal, the bracelets separate, but it's extra.
Metal.
Yeah. From AP though.
Rose brick, gone out the window. Beautiful watch. A lot of people do see the rose gold with the rubber bezel, but this one has the full metal. Lovely watch.
So gents have come all the way down, see us for the Submariner date. It's actually the 41mm, so it's the new reference. It's a lovely watch. Very smart.
Come on guys, new arrival, all blue today. Blue Azuro, Datejust 2 or Datejust 41? I don't even know what we bought. Datejust 2. This is going to be up on the page for £9,200. Under 10k guys. I think this is value for money. Comment below and let us know what you think. If I'm wrong, what else would you buy for £9,200?
Have a new arrival, just brought this in, just logging it as we speak. 2021 Batman GMT Master 2. Fresh condition. Just logging it now on the app, and then we'll be putting it out there. It's been a good month for GMTs, especially for root beers. We've done a lot of root beers this month. I didn't want to sell the other one, truthfully.
I'm not surprised.
Because I only want to release one from the collection, really. Bear with me sort of 5 minutes, I'll get you the other one out and you can have a look. Yeah. It's undated. You've got the option of Oyster or Jubilee. Okay. Because the fact it's undated, it'll probably be a touch more. Yeah. But I'll show you it. We get a minute and we'll go from there, alright? So, I mean, it's been put away. The truth is, it's been put away for so long. It needs wearing. It needs to be smoked a little bit. Do you know what I mean?
Or just
no, just in general. Do you know what I mean? Well, I mean, yeah, enjoy it. Do you know what I mean? Why keep it
locked up?
Why keep it locked up for that long when it should be enjoyed? And you see the nicotine. It's in fantastic condition. It's beautiful. Beautiful watch, mate. Lovely watch.
So what year did they run until? Obviously, if the other ones are
be like 2000 and. Like 2000s, I don't know, it depends if you find one.
8, 9?
Yeah, but if you found one, isn't it?
Yeah.
You probably won't find one that new year, but they're probably officially ran until around 2008, but the strap changed.
Okay.
And they bought a ceramic, didn't they?
Yeah.
This is the Sultan of Sultans, King of Kings.
The brick from 42mm.
42.
It's a lovely watch, man.
Yeah, 42's a Royal Offshore, isn't it?
How much more would it be?
Like 13.5.
So a monkey on top.
And you got the option of Jubilee or Oyster. Some people might prefer on the Oyster.
Yeah.
Well, you know that's a 2001. That's a K. So that's a K serial 2001.
Yeah.
That's actually a P serial. Okay. So that was the serial, and the serial date is the production year.
Yeah, but it got sold later. It was stuck.
The year in your papers is a sold year. But back then, it wasn't unusual for a window to be sat in a watch to be sat in a window for 2 years. Yeah. It wasn't unusual. So just bear that in mind.
So this is 99, but it's sold in 01.
Well, it's a P serial sold in 01. 2000. So it actually sold a year later. Sat in a window for a year.
Okay.
Fun fact: I actually bought this watch 8,000 watches ago.
What was that last week?
Yeah, I wish. 8,000 watches ago I bought that watch.
That's mad.
Yeah, so I've had it for some time. Yeah.
Good investment, I imagine.
Yeah, I can imagine so, yeah. But again, we're not in it for the, this is put down personal.
Yeah.
It just...
It is a banger.
And this is me not really wanting to sell it, only because you come in for this one here, which we were selling.
I mean, I need to do some bits in London today.
Yeah, of course.
My train back is past here anyway, so...
What time is your train back?
6, 7 o'clock.
We're closing at 5.
I'd come back before 5 if that's the case.
Yeah, sweet. Go fly around, do your bits. I haven't told anyone about this.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
It's not like it's a big secret, but we haven't advertised it, so...
Close at 5, yeah.
Close at 5.
What I'll do is
me.
I'll ring you either way.
So you got the option of Jubilee or Oyster, 35.
Cool.
Undated.
And is it a full set, full
box, papers.
Is there any anchor tags or
I'll
anything like that?
check on the tags.
Yeah.
Haven't injected the tag this, to be fair. I'll check. If there is a bonus. I'll be honest. But for you to get papers with such a model in such a condition, it's better. But yeah, if you've got the tags for the if you've got the white tags and stuff, we'll check.
Yes, sweet.
Or the original green tag rather.
It's fun.
Alright.
It's a lovely piece. Do you have any others like of a similar calibre? Ones to stick away.
I've got a big GMT
little.
collection, but I don't really want to.
I think I saw a YouTube video about the GMTs.
Yeah. We've got quite a big GMT collection, but I've got like first edition, just cases only, just heads.
Yeah.
With, like no straps.
What year was first edition?
Like 64, 65. Yeah.
Right.
I didn't really want to. I don't really want to sell them, if I'm honest, because they're forever valuable and it's nice. But it's not so much. You know what? It's not so much the money. It's more the fact of I won't be able to replace them.
Yeah.
And if I see the watch that I may have sold a couple of years ago and I find it in the future, it's going to be obviously at a higher price point, but it's not going to be exactly the same because they've all got their own slight little marks and patinas to them and characters to them. So what you see there was a guy who's seen the Sultan. We uploaded earlier today. He actually sold before he got here, but fortunately I do have one more. Not that we wanted to sell it, we don't want to sell it because we had two, so we thought let's release one back into the world, and we just thought, you know, whilst he's here I'll show him it, sort of a bit back and forth, and he might be taking that one there. It's actually an undated one, so again we didn't really want to sell that one, but I sort of felt guilty because he's come all the way up here from Brighton, so we'll see what he says and see if we can come to a deal. He's gone off to a few things in London. He's going to bear it in mind and he's going to let me know by the end of the day. So maybe should we give him to the end of the day and then that's it, not on sale? I don't know. Should we be tough on him? Do we want to sell it? No. Can we replace it? Definitely not.
Shut up, fat boy. What's going on, people?
What's going on, people? Why we... So come on it, man.
A V to F.
So we've been buying these. We've been buying these. So it hasn't become this. That's good though.
I've always wanted to say that, but you know when YouTubers say
It's pre-owned and it's on consignment, so it's not something we normally do. I've got to scratch my head, sorry. It's like mad itchy. Ed, that was your doctor on the phone. He said, don't worry, it happens to everyone. Very good customer. This has 17 baguette. Oh, f***er. Ed, that was your missus on the phone. She said, don't worry, she's come on, you're alright.
Oh. Oh, you motherfucker ready? We got it. Oh, for fuck's sake.